Want to improve your iPhone's battery health? Follow these quick, proven habits. First, cap daily charging at about 80% and avoid dropping below 20%. In Settings, open Battery, tap Charging and set charging limit to 80 if available. Top up briefly during the day instead of doing one long 0 to 100% charge. Keep the phone cool. Ideal temps are roughly 0 to 35 degrees Celsius, 32 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't leave it in a hot car or under direct sun, and avoid heavy gaming or GPS while it's baking. Use genuine Apple or MFI certified chargers and cables. Fast, uneven, or cheap power bricks can stress cells over time. Limit wireless charging to occasional use. It creates extra heat. Don't leave it plugged in all night. Even with software safeguards, staying at 100% for hours generates heat and microcycles that wear the battery. Cut background drain. In Settings, open General, then Background App Refresh, and turn it off, or at least limit it. Fewer silent refreshes mean fewer charge cycles. Stay updated and recalibrate. Install the latest iOS, then do a force restart. Press and release volume up, press and release volume down. Hold the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo returns. This can recalibrate reported health and clear lingering bugs. Follow these habits and you'll slow battery aging and keep capacity higher for longer. If this helped you, tap like, share your best battery tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick iPhone tutorials.